Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am on my way to 1,600 subscribers, which I will have a new giveaway. And let's get into a look. What kind of look do you say? A look with the Jeffree Star Cremated palette. It is underrated as far as Jeffree Star palettes go, in my opinion. It is stunning. I'm not doing magic swatches because this palette has been out for a while, and plus there's just so many different colors to swatch. There are so many colors here that are just up my alley. My little cool toned life. I just love it so much. But I'm going to start off with life insurance and put that in my crease. Oh, that looks nice and smoky. We love a smoky look here, and that is setting us up for a great look. I'm going to then, there's a little kick up in the pan, I'm going to go into such good colors, such good colors. I'm going to go into something a little bit darker. I'm going to go into Last Look. It's very cool. It's very dark, like my soul. This is a shimmer. I'm really loving this look so far. I'm going to go into Diamond's Ashes here with my finger. I'm going to try to anyway. And go across the lid. And that's a really pretty silver. Oh, that brightens it up quite a bit. Let me get a little tissue. I'm going to go a little bit darker in the outside of the crease. And I think I'm going to go into Angel of Death. My nose is itching. What does that mean? Someone's going to visit me. When? I don't know. It's the old wives' tale thing. Let's bluff this out. And that looks amazing. Now we're going to do liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, mascara and eyeliner really seals the deal on this look. And I'm going to go into my lips with Maybelline Super Stay ink, Super Matte ink in number 65, Seductress. A little neutral moment on the lips. And that looks fantastic. And I really have enjoyed revisiting the Cremated palette, which is, I think, very underrated as far as Jeffree's palettes go. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.